Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. It's Blessa and today I'm gonna show you the steps on how to make paper look old. Don't worry, it's very easy, and if you're interested, just keep on watching. First, get a high quality paper. I prefer to use this 100 GSM white laid paper, but you can also use a pale yellow paper so it's nearly old looking. I just like the result of coffee staining on a white one better. Get a container and then put 1 tablespoon of original coffee powder. I use this Nescafe Gold blend to really get that old brownish color on my paper. However, I recommend to not use a 3-in-1 instant coffee as it is creamy looking. And if you like, you can also crumple up the paper for texture. And then submerge the paper and make sure there's coffee stain all over the paper. And now you can hang the paper carefully and let it dry for a few minutes. And guys, use a wood clip, not the plastic one, because it will just leave a mark on your paper, or worse, rip it up. But if you accidentally tear your paper up slightly, that's okay because vintage paper is like that. But if you rip it up larger than you intended to, well, that's where the problem comes. Oh, by the way, one shouldn't forget to clean up so you wouldn't get a dreadful sermon from your mom. And ta-da! We now have an old looking paper and I really love the result of this. When my mom saw it, she thought I rummaged through our staff and found this old blank paper, but that's not the case. I just made it. So for additional, I like to tear the paper up a little bit and bite it like a rat bite because I see my old books and there are rat bites all over the edges of the pages, and I just think it makes it more realistic looking. Moreover, I like to use this coffee stain paper whenever I send out letters to my friends. It just complements my brown envelope here, and I really love how truly vintage looking it is. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and what are you waiting for? Make your own vintage paper now. But before all that, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'd really appreciate it if you do. Bye!